Bonjour, bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Anana. Et voici Anana qui dit bonjour. My friends, today we're learning how to say and how to write the color red in French. So let's go. So how do you pronounce the color red? Well, see if you can try it out. It sounds like this. Rouge. Can you give it a try? Rouge. And it's spelled R-O-U-G-E. Now, if you are describing a feminine subject, such as this rose, then there is no change to the way that rouge is spelled. So, la means that rose is a feminine word. So let's read this sentence together. La rose est rouge. Can you try that? La rose est rouge. Bravo! Now, if you're describing a masculine subject, like this puppy, then you would have no change in the word rouge. So let's say this one together also. Le coquelicot est rouge. Let's try that again. Le coquelicot est rouge. So there you go, my friends. Whether you are describing a feminine or a masculine subject, the color rouge will stay the same spelling. Was that difficult? No, not at all. Merci mes amis. Au revoir. À la prochaine.